of the most annoying and uncomfortable things you can experience when sick with a cold is the persistent cough that comes along with it. It can take over your entire day. Untreated, it can cause other serious conditions and can even cause you to lose your voice. Today's video will discuss a homemade remedy that will treat and conquer just about any cough. To make this recipe, you will need 1/4 cup ginger root, either fresh grated or dried, 1/4 cup marshmallow root, 1/4 cup chamomile flowers, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 1 cup honey, 250 milliliters of filtered water. First, begin by placing water into a medium-sized saucepan. Then add the dried herbs to the water and bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat and allow to simmer. Continue simmering until you notice that the mixture boils down to half its original amount. Next, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh colander to ensure the herbs do not get left in the liquid. Next, add lemon juice and honey. Stir very well, seal in an airtight container, and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Consume 1 tablespoon of this syrup 3 times per day. While this syrup is highly effective in children, it is important to ensure that they do not take more than 1 teaspoon per day, and be sure to consult their doctor about adding this to their treatment. Have you found a remedy for coughing that works for you? Have you given this recipe a try? Let us know in our comment section.